Have you ever wondered how to make your own natural remedies at home? Imagine crafting a salve that could potentially soothe skin irritations, alleviate joint pain, and offer relief from muscle aches. Today, we delve into the process of making your very own Solomon's Seal salve. To start, the first step involves creating an infusion of Solomon's Seal in a carrier oil. The dried root of Solomon's Seal is ideal for this. The root can be left in a warm place for several weeks submerged in your chosen oil, be it olive oil or almond oil. Alternatively, you could accelerate the process by gently heating the oil and root in a double boiler for a few hours. Once the infusion is ready, the next step is to strain the oil. This removes all traces of plant material, leaving behind only the infused oil, rich with the properties of Solomon's Seal. Then, it's time to add beeswax. The typical ratio for this mixture is about 1 part beeswax to 4 to 5 parts oil. However, this ratio can be adjusted to your preference depending on how firm you'd like the final salve to be. Once combined, the mixture needs to be gently heated until the beeswax melts and melds seamlessly with the oil. This blend is then poured into a container where it will cool and solidify. Remember to store your finished salve in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Now, what can this Solomon's Seal salve be used for? It has been known to promote healing when applied to bruises, wounds, dry skin, and various skin irritations. Additionally, it can be gently massaged into sore joints and muscles to help alleviate pain and inflammation. However, it's crucial to remember a few precautions when using Solomon's Seal salve. Always conduct a patch test first to check for any potential allergic reactions. Furthermore, if you have sensitive skin, specific allergies, or are using other medications, consult with a healthcare provider before using the salve. Pregnant and nursing individuals should also avoid use unless approved by a healthcare professional. In conclusion, Solomon's Seal salve is a versatile addition to your natural remedy collection, combining traditional healing properties with the convenience of topical application. But like any herbal product, it should always be used with care and respect for its potent properties. Making your own salve at home is not only a fascinating experience, but also a step towards embracing the healing power of nature.